Hey, how this is a demo video of my project drop dispatching. On this project there are three roles: admin, owner of the system, dispatchers, and a driver. Driver login from my mobile app. Here first we login as a admin. Dashboard. Admin today's jobs, casual drivers, punch-ins and punch-out drivers. Active jobs today, active jobs will show here. You can check unit levers, total units, total scheduled driver on this job, scheduled drivers. You can check driver on this date, schedule driver on this shape, on this job, punch in drivers, and check and you can filter this driver performance and check the performance of every driver on this route, on this job, etc. Every cycle, fastest, slowest, top performance, triggers of jobs, revenue, and cost. You can check from filter like revenue of October, revenue of December, revenue of this job, live map, on live map, all the jobs shown on our live map. You can check detail of jobs, job details, job triggers, notes. You can edit notes here. Jobs, ongoing jobs. Here is our ongoing jobs, upcoming jobs, and completed jobs. Add new jobs. You can also add jobs from here. Job ID, start date, operating days, total units. Here is multiple pickups and multiple drop-off. You can select pickup from here. Pickup 2, total unit 12, total unit 6, drop-off, drop-off of this pickup AJ or pickup KK. Submit job on fleet, carriers, ongoing jobs. You can check the detail of job from here, like pickup 1 and drop-off 2, pickup 2, drop-off 1, edit job, assign driver. You can assign driver from here, total drivers you assign, so schedule of this job. You can check from this on live map, dispatch ID, action. You can select driver and message from here, all the drivers that you select. Next we move as a carrier. Here we add carriers. Carriers is a company of different companies we add in our platform, company name, contracts, etc. You can also edit, enable and disable this. Drivers, total drivers you add from here, driver license, driver profile picture, assign track here, trucks here, trucks that we create. You can upload truck picture and truck registration. Dispatcher you create from here. You can give permission to access driver and allow trucks. Triggers, here is all the triggers that are created on jobs. On setting, profile you can update your profile. Custom field you can create customer here. Material you create from here, and trailers you create here, like truck types, trash, all the data thing will show here. And driver side on mobile app. On mobile app, driver login, then start a job, and its driver live location will show on our live map like this, and we can check the details of driver, triggers, and give notes to driver and driver behavior, pickup, average, and average time. That's it.